Well, hey everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. I hope 2020 is going amazing for everybody. So guys, I found more spoilers that are in the BoxyCharm Premium January box. So I'm going to show you what we already know about, and then I'm going to show you the new ones. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also hit your subscribe button, make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified of all these videos because there is spoilers pouring out like water. Before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which were possible spoilers for a future BoxyCharm box. Congratulations, Michelle Hamilton. Michelle says, hey girl, hey. Well, hey Michelle, honey, thank you so much for having your bell on. And it just amazes me knowing y'all come watch little old me, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So first of all, again, I'm going to show you what we already know about, and then I'm going to show you the new ones. And again, this is for the January Premium BoxyCharm box. The first thing is variation. You're either going to get the Too Faced Palm Springs eyeshadow palette, or you're going to get the Too Faced Sugar Peach Face Palette. Next up is the Farsali Liquid Skin Serum. And then next, now, we just found this one out the other day, is the Kat Von D Lolita. Now, this is an eyeshadow single. It is a beautiful matte deep wine shade, absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, now for the new stuff. So the first thing is the Laneige Fresh Calming Mousse Moisturizer. And then next, now these next 2 items are kind of interesting, y'all. So the first one is the St. Luxe Beauty Eyeliner Trio. Now you're going to get 3 of these pencils. One of them is a black, one of them looks like that beige eggshell kind of off-white color. And then the last one, but certainly not least, looks like that bronzy shade. It's absolutely gorgeous. Next up is the $1 Billion Brows. Now this is their bestseller kit, so this is a 4-piece. So it looks like there is a gel brow pencil in there with the spoolie on the other end. There's also a dual-ended highlighter pencil. And then next up, it looks like a brow gel in that, and also it comes with a liner brush. So those 2 are very interesting because you know there's more than 1 item in each one of those. So of course, as soon as I find anything else, I'm going to let you guys know. I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Nicole Case. Nicole says, thanks, Mandy. Well, you're more than welcome, Nicole, honey. Again, I've said this 1,000 times. I really enjoy putting these spoilers out. And if y'all are like me, y'all can't wait on no damn spoilers. Y'all got to see them right now. I love you, girl. Thank you so much. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. Trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You could only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.